Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation error on the iPhone. Sometimes you may see an iMessage waiting for activation error when trying to activate iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. This prevents you from using this messaging service. If you don't know why this is happening, you are trying hard to figure out the solution. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check if you can send text message or not. For iMessage activation, your iPhone sends a standard SMS text message, thus it is vital to ensure it can send an SMS and see if it is successfully delivered. If yes, then move on the next fixes. And the next step is ensure iPhone has Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. To activate iMessage, your iPhone must have a working internet connection. Open Safari or the YouTube and try to visit or play a video. If it loads, your internet is working fine. And the next step is turn off VPN. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on its toggle button to turn it off and try activating iMessage, and you are done. And the next step is set the correct date and time. iMessage activation also requires the correct date and time. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on date and time. Tap on the set automatically toggle button to turn it on, and you are done. The next step is turn airplane mode on and off on iPhone. Simply open the control center screen and then tap on airplane icon. Wait for some seconds and then tap on it again to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is check Apple server status. Ensure to check Apple's server status and see if the Apple ID and iMessage are working. If they are experiencing downtime, please wait for some time. Apple usually fixes this quickly. And the next step is turn iMessage off and back on. For this, open the settings app and then go to messages. Tap on iMessage toggle button to turn it off, and then after a minute toggle it on, and you are done. And the next step is sign out of your Apple ID and sign in again. For this, open the settings app and then tap on your Apple ID at the top and then tap on sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and proceed to sign out successfully. Next, restart your iPhone and again sign in from the top, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is any update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings on your iPhone. For this, open the settings app, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and try to activate iMessage again, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iMessage waiting for activation error on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.